Okay, y'all, I just walked down to the lake. This is an overcast day, no sun in sight. No sun in sight. I dropped some crumbs on the ground yesterday. I'm trying to see. Did something eat them? I think it did. But no sun in sight. It's cloudy. It's a cloudy day. A few duck on the lake. That's the only one I see right there. Yesterday it had a lot of duck on the lake. But that was closer to the evening. It's like 1 something, y'all. I haven't had any breakfast. I was just walking over here to see what kind of reception I'm getting, because I'm trying to let some videos upload, and they are not quite uploading yet. I don't know what it is. Uh-oh. Are you gonna drown? See, he coming up with something. Oh, y'all, I got to go get my coat, girl. Y'all, I think I got to get up. Y'all, it's a duck just dived down in the water right in the middle. It's been gone for longer than a minute, and it ain't came back up yet. I'm thinking the duck went down to get something to eat, and something ate the duck, because the duck ain't came back up. I'm just trying to find out what's going on. I think something got the duck, y'all, because I don't think no duck could stay underwater that long. That duck did not come back up, y'all. What in the Donkey Kong is going on? I wish I would have caught it on camera when it went down. But it ain't came back up. It's been longer than 3 minutes. How long can a duck hold their breath underwater? I'm getting tired of holding the camera, y'all. Oh well. That duck is a goner. I don't think that duck coming back up, y'all. Oh well, I'm calling it. Oh, that duck not coming back up. Look, one coming behind me. But it wasn't this kind of duck. It was one with a white neck. See, I see these duck right here go in the water and come back. But that one with the white neck, I don't know about that one. They eating grass. Y'all, that other duck haven't came back up yet. Unless he swam underwater and came up in another spot. But I thought they just dived down and come back in the same spot they dived down at. But that duck haven't came back. Okay, it's a duck right there. Is that him? Floating? Or swimming? I don't know if y'all can see. I don't think that was the same duck because the other duck had a white neck. They got two kinds of duck out here. I don't think that's it because that duck is coming from a different direction. That duck was like right in the middle where that one is. And it dived down. And I never seen it come back up. And it's not the same kind of duck. It was the other ducks are thinner and a little bigger, and they have a white neck. They're not the same kind as the little short, stubby, black looking ducks. Oh, well, I don't know what to say. It's 10 o'clock and I'm about to get up. Look at all these bugs. I think they're getting in through the little hole in the back where I punctured. Because my screens are up. They shouldn't be getting in here. I don't know how they're getting in. They must be getting in through that little hole. But look at them mosquitoes. Oh, child. And they was all over here last night because the light come on and I just was hitting them and killing them. It was a lot of them. But anyway, y'all, we by the lake chilling. Okay, y'all, I am sitting by the lake. It is a very windy day. I got my blanket and it's going on 1 p.m. and I'm trying to decide what I want to do today. I'm thinking today might be my last day here. I might leave tomorrow so I can go edit some videos and by the weekend go see some more sites. So yeah, I think today might be the last day here, so I'm thinking maybe I should go walking, but I just been sitting here with the sun down on me. It's not a very, very harsh sunny day, and the wind is winding. Oh, look at the duck. That duck like his spot. He like to get down under that water and get him something to eat. That must be the spot right there, because he come here every day. So yeah, I'm thinking about going just for a little walk. I'm a little hungry. I did eat something this morning, but I'm feeling a little hungry right now. So I don't know if I'm gonna do lunch or I'm gonna go walking. I don't know if I feel like taking a backpack with me or just going on a little short walk. So I'm gonna decide here soon, but I think I need to get me something else to eat before I head anywhere. I might not be going nowhere today. I might go for a drive before I get ready to leave tomorrow. We'll just drive the area. Who knows, child? Because I'm really enjoying my private lake view. You can't beat this with the stick. I'm just coming from the lake, from my beach, and I'm hungry. I am hungry. I don't know if I'm gonna have to close that back door to fix me something to eat, but I want to go walking. I want to go walking, but I'm hungry. And I'm also thinking I think I'm gonna have to close this door. I'm also thinking today might be my last day here. Spend the night and leave in the morning. But yeah, I'm hungry right now, so I think I'm gonna make me a carnivore diet burger. And I want to cook some liver and onion tonight, but I don't know. I might not do that. I don't know. If I will or if I won't. So for our carnivore diet burger, I forgot to get some feta cheese. Let's put this soda in the freezer just for a few minutes. And I'm gonna... So what I put on the carnivore diet burgers are our beef patty, bacon, egg, and feta cheese. But since we don't have feta cheese today, we're gonna use bacon, egg, a little cottage cheese, and we're gonna fry us 2 eggs. But yeah, I was sitting on the lake and enjoying myself. feels good. But I'm also thinking about leaving tomorrow because there's other things that I want to see. Other things that I want to do. And plus I need to continue to edit content. And get it off my camera roll.